Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to contact Wallapop Seller. Now guys, the first thing that you need to do of course is go to uk.wallapop.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking something like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Wallapop. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel, where we have plenty of how to Wallapop videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the Wallapop official website where we have a lot of things to see. So here you can go and search for categories, you have the shipping available, you have the address which you can put, the price and item condition in the search. But for a manual search, you can go to the search box here and search all categories here. Also, here you have some recommended items for you that you can go and check out by yourself if you want, of course. Now, in the top right corner, you have your favorite items, you have the inbox with all of your messages here, you have you, where you have everything about your profile when you click on it here, as you can see. And also, you can go and list a product by clicking on this green button here. And those are all the things that you have here on the website. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact a seller on Wallapop. Well, to do so, you'll need to go guys and find an item that you would like to buy. Then guys, when you did that, here you can go and click on buy. And here on the buy, when you're there, you can just go and click X. And here you have the inbox with the seller where you can go and talk to him. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.